Hi, it's Megan Robinson. This week we're doing our informative speech. I chose to do my informative speech on heart disease. Heart disease runs rampant in my family, so I figured that that's why I chose to do it on heart disease. Did you know that almost one-third of the Western countries' deaths are attributed to heart disease? According to the CDC and the Heart Foundation, heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States. Every 33 seconds, someone in the United States dies from cardiovascular disease. By recognizing the signs and symptoms of the following four heart diseases, you could save a person's life or even your own. Let's start out by introducing the four heart disease that is most common in the United States. Coronary artery disease is a condition involving the artery supplying the myocardium. The arteries become narrowed by the atherosclerotic deposits over time. In time, it causes temporary cardiac ischemia and eventually myocardial infarction. The second one is cardiac arrest. It's the sudden, unexpected cessation of cardiac activity. The patient is usually unresponsive. Cardiac arrest is a true life-threatening disease. It needs immediate intervention with instantaneous initiation of CPR defibrillations by means of automated external defibrillators. The third one is hypertensive heart disease, the most prevalent cardiovascular disorder in the United States. It results from chronically elevated pressures throughout the vascular system. The fourth one is congestive heart failure. Congestive heart failure runs in my family a lot. My aunt, my dad, a couple of my other aunts have had this. One has actually passed from it. It is an acute or chronic inability of the heart to pump enough blood throughout the body to meet the demands of homeostasis. A common cause of acute congestive heart failure is myocardial infarctions. Some causes of chronic congestive heart failure is hypertension, coronary artery disease, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, cardiac valve damage, arrhythmias, and cardiomyopathy. There's a chance that a person in this room right now that you're sitting by has either the signs or symptoms or have experienced the signs and symptoms of the aforementioned heart diseases. The first thing you can always do is contact the CDC to learn more about the different heart diseases mentioned above. Secondly, you can always refer to the Heart Foundation website. It has a lot of useful information. There is treatment available for 3 out of the 4 diseases mentioned above. Knowing the warning signs and symptoms of a heart attack is the key to preventing death. Making changes in your lifestyle is also a good way to prevent heart disease. Now that you have learned a little more about the different types of heart diseases and the signs and symptoms of each, including coronary artery disease, cardiac arrest, hypertensive heart disease, and congestive heart disease, after today, I hope that you would take into consideration of all the information you have been given in this speech and use it in your everyday life. If you're a person who is suffering from one of the heart diseases we have mentioned in today's speech, thank you and have a good day.